Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to create a simple survey and get the data into Excel so that we can run some analysis. So let's quickly start. So all you need to have is Office 365 on your laptop. So which I already have. So I'm just clicking on Office 365. So it'll open a pop-up like this. Then you need to go to the all applications. So from there, you can see one option which is called as forms. So just click on the forms. So it'll give an options wherein you can actually create a new forms. So I'm quickly going to do that. Click on the new form, and there it is. It'll go to the web view. So here you'll have an option. So basically, you can just do the name of the survey, like survey at the form. So I'll just say it as new survey for internet access. My bad. Internet access. Okay. This survey is to check the internet connections. Okay, so I just given some intro for it. So now I'll just click on add new. So here we'll get the options. We'll have the multiple options here, and if you want more questions, yes, we have more questions as well. So let me just click on the options here. So first option which I would give is like, do you have internet access? See, and here one quick thing is like it will always give us the ready-made options. So let me select these two options, and I'll just select it as like required. And if I want them to add multiple, I would select multiple answers. If not, I'm just keeping it. See, if you see here, if you click on multiple, so the boxes, it will, instead of a circle, it will turn into a choice one where you can actually tick it. So I'm not going to keep it. So I'm going to remove it for the multiple options. So I'm going to add another one. If yes, please select the speed range. So basically, I'm trying to ask the what is your network speed? So more than like 100 Mbps, and less than 100 Mbps. So let's see. And this is the options which I'm giving. And I'm giving a text option. Kindly enter the name. And then I have just kept it as short one, or you can just give it as a long answer also if you want to keep it, if you think that names are going to be a little bit bigger. So and I'll just tell them to add, please enter the contact number. So guys, this is just for educational purpose. So I'm just giving some random questions over here. And here the best possibility is like they don't have an internet access, then there is no point in having the second question, right? So that's where we'll have an options called as if you see here, add branching. So if I add branching, just click on that. So if it is yes, go to next question. If it is no, then move to the third question. So that's it. And then after doing it, you can just come back. So that means branching is done. And You can just set a theme for it, and yeah, you can select any theme which you want. And since it is a theme, and you can just choose custom one as well. So that's it. Your user form is ready. So all you need to do is just click on send, and it'll throw you an options. And see, here you have multiple options. One is QR code, or you can send a link, or you can send an embedded one. You can send it through an email. So yeah, and for now, I'm just clicking as copy. That's it. My URL is selected, and let me check it out. So see, now it is asking me, do you have internet access? Yes. If it is yes, then it is giving me the option. If it is no, then it will ask me to enter the name. I will say it as R1 as my name, and mobile number would be 99999999. I'm just giving it for and I'll just submit it. I submit another response. Yes, I do have, which is more than, and I'll say that name 2 and number again. I'll just giving it as here and then submit. And then again, I'll just come here. I'll just give it as less than, and I'll give it as name 2, and let me add some random mobile number. And again, I'll just add more numbers. And see, now it is saying that, okay, this can be sensitive. You have entered personal information, proceed with caution. It is just giving a reminder saying that you might be entering the account number because the number is bigger one, right? So yes, I'm ready to submit. So after doing that, you can just come out here. I can see that response is already generated, and you can see that the graphical representation is also generated for us. And all you need to do is just click on the view results. You can see that everyone is anonymous. You can see that, and the best part is you can open it in Excel. See, and just click on Excel. You'll get your new Excel with the data which is entered over here. See, that's very simple, right? So guys, this is how you can use Office 365 and create a survey within a fraction of a minute. So if you feel like this video is helpful for you guys in any way, please do subscribe and give a like. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you guys.